Hello, is mi Coralea McKay, ha mi cloich na fila agus sé teacher a hanam son Fèis Bheag line an blina seo. Hello, my name is Coralea McKay. I am one of the Fèis tutors for Fèis Online and I play the fiddle. I'm originally from Dundee but grew up in around Angus, and being from Dundee, it was a bit of a culture shock moving from a city to a very small village in Angus, but it was great fun. I haven't been involved in Fèis Phàislig until now, but I have been involved with Fèis Online on the Isle of Skye and also Fèis Cuir in North Uist. Both have been fantastic, great fun to be involved in. I've been playing the fiddle for just over 20 years, which is quite a while. I was inspired to learn the fiddle mainly because of my family. My dad and uncle were full-time traditional musicians back in the day, so from there I was encouraged to learn the fiddle. So I did classical at school, but I really enjoyed playing traditional music, so eventually I did audition for the music school in Plockton, and I was there for 4 years, which was an amazing experience. So over the years I've been really fortunate to have been performing all over, but one of the best countries that I enjoy playing in is Germany. The crowd love traditional music, so it's always great gigs there, and they've got some really nice venues as well across the country. So for trad, it would have to be Frenzy of the Meeting by Bheag, which is a fantastic album, or if not, anything by Queen. Love that band. I think the Fèis is important because it's a great starting point, an introduction for kids to get into traditional music, as well as Gaelic. It's a great, fantastic opportunity to meet other people as well that are also interested in traditional music in Gaelic, so it's a great opportunity for that. I think the best thing about being a musician is just getting to play the music that you love, and also playing that music with your pals. Okay, so I'm just going to play a wee tune now for you. It's called Joe's House. So if you've not already done so, you can sign up for the Fèis Online, which is available at feisphàislig.com. Mór an tang agus tíogainn drasta.